That's it. Whips out. Yeah, that's it. Come on, Shooty. The clutch is on the left. Oh yeah.
Don't stall, sir.
Oh yeah.
You're wet.
Peel out backwards. Sorry. What a beauty. That's it? Redline that bitch.
That's why he didn't let you do that. That's why you didn't get to drive.
Come on, wet peel out, wet peel out. Can I put that engine in my car? They're just gonna scrap it anyway.